Dolly Varden Silver's Kitsault Valley Project is a 163 square kilometre exploration project located in the southern part of British Columbia's Golden Triangle, one of the most metal-endowed yet logistically challenging mining regions in Canada. This area has produced some of the country's highest-grade precious and base metal deposits, but its history is equally shaped by isolation, weather, and infrastructure constraints. Quick disclaimer: this channel is educational only and not investment advice. I focus on geology, history, resources, infrastructure, jurisdiction, management, and public disclosures. No price targets and no buy or sell calls. For today's video, we travel to the rugged and infamous Golden Triangle of northwest British Columbia, a region that presents unique challenges for companies attempting to make discoveries or advance known deposits. The Golden Triangle's mining history dates back to the late 1800s, when prospectors first moved into the coast mountains following gold discoveries in the Stikine River region. Early exploration was driven by placer gold, but unlike the Caribou or the Klondike, much of the triangle's value ultimately proved to be in hard rock deposits, often located in steep, glaciated terrain far from navigable rivers. The discovery of the Premier mine near Stewart in 1918 marked a turning point for the region. Premier went on to produce more than 5 million ounces of gold, establishing the Golden Triangle as a serious mining district. That success triggered waves of prospecting throughout the Hazelton Group volcanic belt, including the Kitsault River area where Dolly Varden is located. The Kitsault Valley quickly became known for exceptionally high-grade silver mineralization. The Dolly Varden mine itself was discovered in the early 1900s and became one of the most important silver producers in British Columbia during the first half of the 20th century. At the time, this was a remote operation supported by pack trails, tramways, and small camps. A reminder that high grades were often the only thing that made mining viable in such terrain. Nearby, the Torbrit mine was developed later and became one of the largest silver producers in the province, operating from the 1940s through the 1950s. Together, Dolly Varden and Torbrit established the Kitsault Valley as a bona fide silver district rather than a single isolated prospect. A key point for this episode is that even with road access to the valley, exploration here has historically included both ground-based and helicopter-supported drill sites, as well as permitted helicopter pads and temporary camps. That mixed access reality is exactly what makes Golden Triangle exploration expensive and operationally complex. The combined Kitsault Valley Project includes 7 discrete deposits or zones with current mineral resources. These include Homestake Main, Homestake Silver, and South Reef in the northern Homestake Ridge area, and Wolf, North Star, Torbrit, and Dolly Varden in the southern part of the district. The Kitsault Valley Project is unique in that it hosts multiple deposit types within one consolidated land package. It includes the Dolly Varden property with silver resources, the Homestake Ridge property with gold-silver mineralization, and the Big Bulk property, a copper-gold porphyry system. This matters because Dolly Varden is not a single discovery story. It's a district-scale project with meaningful exploration upside between and beyond known deposits. Geology is a major reason this project remains compelling. At a regional level, Kitsault Valley is hosted within Hazelton Age volcanic and sedimentary rocks that are associated with several mineralization styles across the Golden Triangle. Government geology work notes that the Kitsault River area hosts silver-rich lead-zinc deposits and showings, including Dolly Varden, Torbrit, North Star, and Wolf, occurring as stratabound to vein-type mineralization. The Homestake Ridge portion of the project is commonly interpreted as a structurally controlled, multi-phase epithermal system, consisting of epithermal vein stockwork and vein breccia, hosted in Jurassic Hazelton Group volcanic rocks. Taken together, Kitsault Valley hosts high-grade silver-dominant mineralization in the south and high-grade gold-silver epithermal mineralization in the north, linked by a structurally complex geological framework. The combined NI 43-101 technical report summarizes mineral resources across 2 primary indicated zones: the Dolly Varden area for silver, and Homestake Ridge for gold and silver. The Dolly Varden area contains 3.417 million tonnes of indicated material grading approximately 300 grams per tonne silver, for a total of about 32.9 million ounces of silver. Homestake Ridge hosts 736,000 tonnes of indicated material grading 7.02 grams per tonne gold, containing approximately 166,000 ounces of gold, along with 74.8 grams per tonne silver for roughly 1.8 million ounces of silver. It's important to remember that mineral resources are not reserves, and inferred resources carry additional uncertainty. This remains a story about discovery, continuity, and conversion. Polymetallic and silver-dominant systems live or die on metallurgy, concentrate quality, and recoveries. Dolly Varden has disclosed historical metallurgical results for the Torbrit deposit, indicating silver recoveries on the order of approximately 88%, along with meaningful lead and zinc recoveries through flotation test work. On the Homestake side, the mineralization style and sulfide assemblage are different, meaning metallurgical variability and flow sheet flexibility become important considerations. The company has indicated that metallurgical and engineering studies are ongoing as the project advances. From an investor or geological perspective, the key metallurgy questions are straightforward. Can the project produce clean concentrates with good payables? How variable are recoveries across different deposits and zones? And does the district ultimately support a unified flow sheet or multiple processing strategies? Kitsault Valley does have a meaningful advantage. It is road accessible and located close to tidewater, which is rare in the Golden Triangle and helps de-risk mobilization and supply logistics. However, this is still the Golden Triangle. Even with road access, the practical constraints remain. Steep terrain and limited drill pad locations, heavy rainfall and rapidly changing weather, seasonal field windows and wildfire risk, high costs for drilling and earthworks, and frequent reliance on helicopter support for safe and efficient access. This is why historic permitting and work descriptions include helicopter-supported drilling and helicopter pads. Because in much of this terrain, helicopter support is not optional. It is simply how the work gets done, and that has a direct exploration implication. Every meter drilled is expensive, which makes targeting discipline critical. From a jurisdictional standpoint, British Columbia is a top-tier mining jurisdiction, but Golden Triangle exploration is subject to heightened scrutiny related to water, fish habitat, and environmental management. As programs scale up, permitting, reclamation, and camp management become increasingly important. Dolly Varden is currently advancing aggressive exploration programs. In 2025, the company announced an expansion of drilling to approximately 55,000 meters, mobilizing a fifth drill rig. Priority targets include the Wolf Vein extension, multiple district silver and gold targets, and continued work at Homestake and the big bulk copper-gold porphyry system. Large multi-rig programs like this require strong operational controls. This is one reason this project works well as a heli-focused episode. Success depends not only on geology, but on the ability to execute safely and consistently in rugged country. Dolly Varden's CEO is Sean Kunkun, who has more than 20 years of experience in capital markets and mineral exploration. Experience raising exploration capital in the Golden Triangle is an important factor given the high cost of operations. The company identifies Rob Van Egmond, P.Geo, as Vice President of Exploration and the qualified person responsible for technical disclosure. Rob has over 30 years of experience across grassroots exploration through pre-feasibility stage projects. As of late 2025, the company reports approximately 92 million shares outstanding, with options and restricted stock units bringing the fully diluted count to roughly 95 million shares. Notable shareholders include Eric Sprott, who has been publicly disclosed as holding approximately 9.8% in a prior early warning filing. As always, strategic shareholders can provide validation, but dilution and financing strategy remain key considerations for any company running large drill programs. Recent news has been driven by aggressive exploration and step-out drilling. The 2025 program focused on extending the Wolf vein and testing district targets such as Moose, Chance and Red Point, alongside continued work at Homestake Ridge and Big Bulk. Strong headline intercepts from Wolf and Homestake reinforce what this district represents: high-grade chutes within larger mineral systems and the need for disciplined geology to expand and connect mineralization. Looking forward, there are 4 key things to watch. First, resource growth and upgrades, particularly whether drilling translates into meaningful additions at Wolf and Torbrit on the silver side and along Homestake trends on the gold side. Second, district integration. Success here looks like a coherent district-scale story, not isolated highlight holes. Third, metallurgical confidence and variability. In polymetallic systems, concentrate quality and recovery consistency can matter as much as ounces in the ground. And finally, logistics and execution. Multi-rig drilling in the Golden Triangle is expensive, and helicopter support, weather windows, and permitting discipline often separate strong teams from promotional stories. That's Dolly Varden Silver and the Kitsault Valley Project, a consolidated precious metal district with real history, current NI 43101 resources across multiple deposits, and the kind of rugged operating environment where logistics and technical discipline matter just as much as geology.